Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 E350 Coupe 4MATIC. This one's a diamond white. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights. Also comes with the lighting package, which is going to give you the adaptive high beam assist, full LED headlamps. For wheels, we've got 18-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. This also comes with the sports package, which is going to give you the multi-contour front seats and the Sportline package. An espresso brown silk beige leather interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, E350 4MATIC badging. Opening up the tailgate, we've got a clean set of floor mats, full down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you keyless entry. Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Popping in, we have a nice wood leather steering wheel paired with the burl walnut trim. Steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This E350 Coupe has 29,106 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E350, check out feldmanimports.com.